My beloved child, if you love this video and want to support our community, subscribe to the channel. If you believe in God, say, I really love you, God. God bless you, my child. Amen. My beloved child, in these times of uncertainty and change, I come to you with a message of preparation and hope. The world is shifting, and many feel lost and overwhelmed. But fear not, for I am with you, guiding your path. Prepare your heart and mind, not with fear, but with faith and trust in me. The journey ahead may not be easy, but remember, you are never alone. Anchor yourself in my love and teachings. Let your heart be filled with my peace, a peace that surpasses all understanding. Spend time in prayer, seeking my guidance and wisdom. Open your heart to my voice, and let my words be a lamp unto your feet and a light unto your path. Be vigilant and discerning. The enemy will sow seeds of doubt and fear, but stand firm in your faith. I have overcome the world, and in me you too can overcome any obstacle. Be strong and courageous, for I am with you wherever you go. Let my strength be your strength, and my courage be your courage. Align your life with my will. Let go of anything that hinders our relationship, whether it be sin, unhealthy habits, or negative influences. Purify your heart and mind, and seek to live a life that reflects my love and grace. You are called to be the light of the world, a city on a hill that cannot be hidden. Prepare practically as well. Be wise stewards of the resources I have given you. Plan for the future, but do not be anxious. Trust in my provision and care, for I know what you need even before you ask. Be generous and compassionate, helping those in need and sharing my love with others. Stay connected with your brothers and sisters in faith. Support one another, pray for each other, and bear one another's burdens. In unity, you will find strength to face whatever comes your way. Encourage one another daily, so that none of you may be hardened by sin's deceitfulness. Keep your eyes fixed on the eternal. The things of this world are temporary, but my kingdom is everlasting. Do not store up treasures on earth, but store up treasures in heaven. Where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Let your heart be set on things above, where Christ is seated at the right hand of God. Be a witness to my love and truth in this world. Share the good news of the gospel. Be bold in sharing your faith, for I have given you a spirit not of fear, but of power, love, and self-discipline. Speak the truth in love, and let your life be a testimony to the transforming power of my grace. Remember, the time is short. Keep watch, for you do not know the day or the hour of my return. Live each day with urgency, knowing that each moment is an opportunity to glorify me. Seek my kingdom and my righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. Do not worry about tomorrow. Trust in me. Love one another as I have loved you. Let your love be genuine, hating what is evil and holding fast to what is good. Be devoted to one another in love, honoring one another above yourselves. Share with the Lord's people who are in need, practice hospitality, and bless those who persecute you. Be a person of faith. Even when circumstances seem bleak, hold fast to the promises I have made. Faith is an active trust in my character and my word. Let your faith be evident in your actions, a witness to others of my power and goodness. Remember that I am with you and my grace is sufficient. When you feel weak, my power is made perfect in weakness. Boast in your weaknesses, so that Christ's power may rest on you. For when you are weak, then you are strong in me. Endure hardships and persecution for my name's sake. Rejoice when people insult you and persecute you, for great is your reward in heaven. Your trials are part of the refining process, making you more like me. Stay grounded in the community of believers. The fellowship of the church is essential for spiritual growth and support. Encourage one another, build each other up, and bear each other's burdens. The church is a family, each member with a unique role. Be actively involved, using your gifts to serve and edify the body. Worship is more than songs and rituals. It is a lifestyle. Let every action, word, and thought be an act of worship. Whether working, resting, or serving, do it all for the glory of God. Do not neglect the importance of quietness and solitude. Find time to be still and know that I am God. In the quiet moments, I speak to your heart, guiding you and refreshing your spirit. Make regular times of quiet reflection and prayer a priority. Keep an eternal perspective. This life is temporary. Your true home is with me in eternity. Focus on what is eternal, my word, my kingdom, and my love. Be a light in the darkness. Share the gospel boldly, for it is the power of God that brings salvation. Do not be ashamed of the gospel, for it is the truth that sets people free. Never forget the power of my love. It is the foundation of your identity and the source of your strength. Rest in my love and let it fill every part of your being. My love is the reason I came to earth, lived a sinless life, died on the cross, and rose again. It is the greatest gift I have given you, and the message you are called to share with the world. The days ahead may be filled with challenges, but do not fear. I am with you always, guiding, protecting, and providing for you. Keep your eyes on me, trust in my promises, and live a life that reflects my love and grace. You are my precious child, and I am your loving Father. Together we will face whatever comes and triumph. Embrace each day with gratitude and wonder. Life is a gift, and each moment is an opportunity to grow closer to me and shine my light. Appreciate the beauty and blessings around you, great and small. Focus on building a strong foundation in faith. Ground your life in the truth of my teachings. When storms come, a solid foundation will keep you steadfast. Dive deep into my word, letting its truths nourish your soul and provide wisdom. Let compassion and kindness be your constant companions. Be a beacon of my love and mercy. Reach out to those who are hurting or in need. Your acts of kindness can make a profound difference. Whatever you do for the least of these, you do for me. Cultivate perseverance. The road may be tough, but do not grow weary in doing good. Life's trials build character, perseverance, and hope. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Be a peacemaker. Strive to be a source of peace and reconciliation. Be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry. Let your words and actions aim to heal and bring people together. Remain vigilant in your spiritual disciplines. Prayer, fasting, worship, and studying my word are vital. They strengthen your spirit and prepare you for whatever comes. Practice humility. Humility is thinking of yourself less and recognizing others' worth. Consider others better than yourselves. This attitude reflects my nature. Your journey will require courage and resilience. Trust in my promises and take heart. Live with purpose and intentionality. Discover your gifts and pursue them with all your heart. Let your work be an expression of your love and worship. Hold on to hope. I am the light that shines in the darkness. This hope is an anchor for your soul. Keep your eyes fixed on me, the author and perfecter of your faith. You are deeply loved. I have carved you in the palm of my hand. Go forth with courage, faith, and love. Trust in my guidance, rest in my promises, and live a life that honors me. Amen.